What's up, everybody? JT from Seven Figures Marketing back with another video, man. In today's video, I'm gonna be going over Craigslist on how I'm making 50 plus a day with it currently. As you can see, this is my email, my inbox, whatever you want to call it, for the day. I haven't even posted an ad yet, man. It's just all spillover traffic. But before we get into the video, I want to announce the 3 winners of my CPA marketing course giveaway. As I promised on my last video, all you had to do was like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel to be entered. Display the winners on the screen. Congratulations. I'm gonna reach out to y'all as soon as I'm done making this video. I'm also gonna give away the course to one person on this video in particular. Same thing. All you gotta do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, take the bell icon if you haven't already, and leave a thoughtful comment down below. Now, without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, y'all. I'm on Craigslist right now. Let me see. Let me show y'all. Just when I'm making my ads, this is my ad right here. I'm opening a new tab. But when I'm making new ads on Craigslist, I always like to come over to the section I'm posting in. As you can see, I'm in the labor gigs. That's where the most traffic is at. When I'm over here, I always like to just check out everybody else's ads, see which one's standing out. That's another one of my ads. This is in Atlanta. I want to show y'all this. This is why I'm making this video. This is the only attractive ad on this page besides mine. All these other ones look the same. That's why I told y'all. Well, I didn't tell y'all, but it's in my training, man. Always make your stuff stand out. Like this is my ad, 100 per day. Emojis, excellent for people looking to generate side income, blah, blah, blah. Reply for more info. That's my ad. But I wanted to show y'all this. This is literally like all y'all have to do, man, when it comes to Craigslist. You find an attractive ad like this, or you make it yourself, earn up to 500 weekly. He threw a few emojis on there just to grab your attention. Use the regular image. This offer, I know exactly what he's promoting. I'm about to show y'all his whole entire funnel. So if this is your funnel, I'm sorry, bro, but you know, I got to show these people how to do this stuff. Simple description, no targets to meet, shop at branded store, blah, 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 get paid, boom. So you got the link in here. Let's check it out. This is the landing page. Do you think you can make something like this? Simple. Headline. You got the headline, an image, and the opt-in button. This image, you can just download it yourself. See, I can save it if I wanted to. Done. Regular title, earn extra cash. I'll even put more time into it, but this is simple, clean, easy to navigate. Email, boom. gmail.com, put your name, JT. Whenever I'm posting, like I said, when I'm posting ads, most of my work is just reverse engineering, seeing what other people is doing. After you opt in, I forgot what happens. I'm already opting in, so I'm putting another one in my emails just so y'all can see what the other, where, you know, when you opt in, what page they take you to next. As you can see, up to 500 weekly now. Be sure to check your email for complete details. Don't forget to check spam folder, blah, blah, blah. So you want to make sure you include that. Notice you don't have any links. The reason why is because we're not even supposed to be sending traffic to CPA offers from Craigslist in the first place. That's why we That's why we hide it by sending them to a bridge page and then having them go to their email and check it. As you can see right here, when you opt in, it's the email they're saying, fast cash survey, please confirm to receive complete details. Hello, click the button below, blah, blah, blah. And do you think you can make this in your autoresponder? This is the simplest thing in the world. Confirm your email. See where it takes you. Earn your $5 bonus upon signing up. This just to, it's basically like giving them an incentive to sign up. So now they're even more eager to. Hit click here. Look at this. This is all like simple stuff, nothing complicated. Look at this. Make up to $500 every week working from home. Same thing. Got another image. I think that's the same image, but whatever. Upload the image, add a title, and boom. Get complete details. Now, when you click this button, I think it takes you right to the offer. So let's see. Let it load. Boom, Opinion City. You can find this offer in Max Bounty. I already pulled it up. Oh, it's survey voices. Hold on. Opinion City. Might be logged out. Yeah, I figured. But yeah, that offer pays $2 and some change. It might be $2.40. Simple. You know, we capture their emails and then have them confirm their emails and all that stuff, just so the network won't see that we sending traffic from Craigslist. It's gonna read that we sending traffic from email marketing or this page. So they won't ever know that you sending traffic from Craigslist if you put it all the way in the back of the funnel like this. That's why that's why Craigslist is working for a lot of people long term, because if you're just sending people straight from a Craigslist email, let me show y'all. If you sending people from this email straight to a landing page, then the offer, they can still find out, because I got banned from an offer a while ago doing that. So that's why I now capture emails and have them go through those extra steps, because it's not worth losing the account. That's why you just throw in those extra steps and you're good to go. But when you on Craigslist and you're making your ad, check out everybody else's, seeing which ones stand out. As you can see, majority of these, like his ad and my ad, is the only ones that stand out on this page. When I'm making if you posting your Craigslist ads on the phone, of course they got the emojis on there. But if you're doing them from a desktop, I always go to Emojipedia and get my emojis. So if you want to add star symbol, you would just search for it. Boom, glowing star. That's exactly what I use. As you can see, voila. Build your simple funnels. These literally take 5 minutes to do. Not even if you already know how to make landing pages. Build the funnels, make similar ad copies. Collect the money, man. That's all you're really doing. Now, if you want to learn Craigslist exactly how I do it, I have a training on sale right now. Go check it out, man. A lot of people have been buying my course, loving it. I'm going to be upping the price very, very soon. So get it while it's hot and while it's cheap. It's the type of things I go over in my training. I will be adding more training I will be adding training weekly updates, all that good stuff. You can follow me and all that, so check it out, man. It's only $10 right now. Really ain't got nothing to lose. I can almost guarantee you this is the best course for the price. So yeah, man, that's all I got for this video. Like I said, if you like this video, drop a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, I'm out.